my man. You guys are very rude, by the way. I'm gonna change this filter. Why are you guys bullies, yo? I've never been bullied like this. I know I get bullied every day, but like this. Queen Dust. Yes, I'm going out like this. Period. If you look at my latest video, you will actually see that I don't actually look like this. This is a filter. Construction worker. What the hell? Okay, I'm gonna end the live because no one here has good energy, and I came on this live with good energy. Do you understand what I'm saying? With good energy, wanting to speak to you guys, and you guys are out here bullying me, calling my hair silver, calling me dust girl from Limpopo. Really? Blend what? My makeup is already blended. Oh. Did I bath? Hello? Do I look like I shot water in my apartment? There's no water, there is water. I never run out of water and electricity, sorry. You know what? I'm just gonna keep quiet and just watch you guys. Let me switch this light off. I've never been this bullied in my life. What the is this entertaining for you guys? Raja Spice. There's no way. You know, I'm gonna end the live. I'm not gonna be bullied on my phone. On my phone.
Sensitivity won't go away.
Let me change this filter. I don't even know how to change this filter. How do I do that? How do I change a filter? I'm trying to change a filter, but clearly nobody here wants to help me. What is this? I don't know how to. Wait. No, you guys are getting to me. It's sad. I'm gonna go cry after this. It's a filter, okay? Six gun. I'm in this live. I am in this live because there's no way. I'm in this life. I'm gonna go change. I'm gonna go out, look good, look cute, okay? Because I'm not gonna be bullied by people calling me turmeric, paprika, 6 gun. I'm leaving. Why am I staying here? So you guys can bully me more. Everybody here must apologize. Everyone, apologize. I need to see sorry. If I don't, I'm going. You'll talk to yourself. Brown onion. I want my sorries. I want my sorries. If I don't get my sorries, And to think I wanted to change and show you guys my outfit for today, for tonight. But I'm being bullied. Wow. That is crazy. I'm in alive. Bye guys. You guys have issues for real.